Hello YouTube, my name is Jillian and today I am doing a CVS haul. I know this is my first haul in a while and I'm so very sorry, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things with CVS. I had a bump in the road and I'm trying to get past it. But I'm going to start out with a laundry detergent haul. I had a $4 off of $30 purchase, so I wanted to use that. It expired yesterday, so I made sure I ran out to the store before it closed and did that deal. I added 2 Propel waters because I was not at my $30 once I picked up all 3 of these laundry detergents. So that is what brought me to $30. I purchased 2 Tides. They are on sale this week for $11.94. And when you buy 2 of them, you get a $5 extra buck. So if you have the P&G coupons and you get the Tide coupons, you can use those. But I do not get the Tide coupons. They are regional. So I go on pngeveryday.com and I print out one of those. So I use that on one, and then I use the digital from the CVS app on the other. So that is how I used 2 coupons. I got $3 off each of them, which was perfect. I also added a Persil because this is a staple in my household. My family is in love with this laundry detergent. I specifically am in love with this scent, but they say that they just love the way it creates suds in the washing machine. It does it without very much detergent and you don't have to use a lot, which apparently is why every single time we get this deal, I have to stock up on it because my family loves it so much and I help them coupon for it. So that is what I bought. I had a $2 off coupon on this. I got that coupon from coupons.com. You can also get them in the newspaper from last week. You could also get them from samples. Sometimes the Target by me has like mini, like really small, like this big samples of Persil, and they have like $2 off 1 coupons on the back. So that's where you could also get that. There is also a $2 Savings Star rebate, which I submitted for. My CVS card is actually just hooked up to my Savings Star account. So that is how I will get my rebate through there. I would get $2 back after I paid about $15 for all of this. So in total, I had $8 in coupons. I also had $4 in extra bucks to roll. I did not have another dollar to roll, or I would have, because I got 5 back. So I paid 15 something after tax. Got back another dollar in extra bucks because I got a 5 instead of a 4. And then I got back $2 from Savings Star, hopefully, fingers crossed. I don't see why I wouldn't. I've actually never had a problem with them, and I think I've cashed at about $50 worth. When I started Savings Star, the cash out amount was $5. Now it is like Ibotta and every other one, it's $20. So that is a reason that I liked Savings Star before, that because it was $5, but I still find Savings Star has a lot of good deals and I have not stopped using it because of that, thankfully. So I thought this was a really good deal, only paying 94 cents for the Persil and then getting these Tides for about $5 each after the extra buck, because I did buy 2 Propels. So those were $1 each, and then this was 99 cents, like I said. So that's like $2.99 I paid. So yeah, these are about $5 each after my rebates and everything. I'm very happy with that, considering these, I believe, are like $15 at CVS when they're not on sale. But don't quote me on that because I don't buy Tide regularly. I think this is the first time I've bought Tide all year, unless I've just bought like a little one I think I bought a little one at Walgreens, but that's it. I've only bought like 3 things of Tide this year. I have mostly bought Persil, so if you guys are looking for a different laundry detergent to try other than Tide, I would definitely recommend Persil. This scent on this one, there's an original one, and then there's this pink fresh one. It is amazing. 10 times better in my opinion, so definitely go and smell this. Thank you guys for watching. I know it has been a long time, but I'm trying to get back into the swing of things. I'm actually planning to do another haul before this weekend. lost my train of thought, but I will also have a breakdown for next week. I am hoping. I'm not sure about the deals yet. I haven't looked that much into it because I am trying to do CVS and Walgreens videos because in my opinion, Walgreens has been very good as well. I always get Catalina coupons from there for 10,000 points when you spend 25, and I'm okay with spending the 25 out of pocket if it's like groceries and stuff for my family stuff that we need. So, thank you for watching. I hope you guys enjoyed. I will see you guys next video. I promise it will not be forever.